Hey gang, I'm mooch docking at a friend's house. This is Thomas's son Brandon's house. They got about, I think, 5 or 6 acres, something like that. And they got this since the last time I saw him. But man, it's so pretty and quiet, except the highway's right here, which doesn't bother me any. I know he's Brandon, I think, but he'll get used to it or he'll get over it, right? Anyway, so that's where I'm at last night and tonight. One more night in Mena and then off to Texarkana and then Doddridge. Okay, gang, so I've had 2 people now tell me I need heavy-duty airbags in my back. So, because the back end's so heavy, the front end maybe bounces a little, and that's making my tires cup a little bit in the front. And that will cause me to lose more ball joints and tires. Since those are brand new tires up front, I need to look into heavy duty airbags. So what do you guys know about that? Okay, am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Yeah, you don't slam on the brakes in a bus. So I believe I'm at Skooliepalooza South. No trucks without county permit. I hope I come in the right drive. We shall find out. Sorry, you're having to look through my dirty windshield. Day video surveillance. I don't know, when I hit the brakes a little too hard there to make this driveway, something fell back there. Probably the tray out of my little oven, as it seems to be the thing that always comes open. I think I see a bus. Get up here. Yep, there's 2 buses. Oh, lots of sunshine. There's some buses over there. I only see 2 buses right now. See if I can figure out where I'm supposed to go. There's supposed to be spaces with hookups. And looks like there's some more buses over there. And then there's spaces out in the field over here. Wooded, Arkansas. Ooh, I'm not going down that road. I don't think. I hope not. It doesn't look. It looks a little tight for this big old bus. See if I can spot a person. Okay, well there's a few more buses, so I'll just drive around and figure out where I'm going to be and then take a couple of pictures for you. Kind of swampy over here. This is Alex Smith City Park, or Park. This is where the Skooliepalooza South is. There's something over there. What is that? I don't know what that is. Some kind of trailer or bus or something. That's not us, but anyway, I don't know what those things on the poles are either. They're like buckets of some sort. Anyway, this is a little lake, they call it. Pretty, isn't it? There's a gun range close by. That's why you keep hearing the gunshots. And this big old deck. or pier or whatever you want to call it.
Like George Carlin. Yeah. The seven.
They're all tangled up together. The dogs.
Oh my gosh.
But you can't get her foot down.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's done.
Oh.
They've played so much, they're all tangled up in each other. Good early morning. It's Himlin. There's Jay. He's off to take a shower at Planet Fitness. We got Sheila in the dot bus. Jesse and Janice in that school bus. We got me and then Sammy. That's all right over here. Nobody's up apparently but me and Jay. Now, over there, there's 2 more buses and a guy in a tent. So, we're good.
Take a picture of them.
This is to go,
That's
these are
to
to
go.
stop.
Yes. How are the brakes when they?
Very easy.
They're very easy.
Yeah, very
Don't be
easy.
going like.
Don't you be as smooth as you can.
Yeah.
Okay, let me turn this way.
Yeah,
It doesn't care. It won't care if you're going up or down or whatever.
that's too funny.
Okay.
There, say goodbye.
Pull on it. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, that is slick as slick.
Oh, keep moving. And just imagine if I put it on high speed.
Yeah, I'm glad you did
Two-wheel
it.
drive. It just goes everywhere.
That's so fun, isn't it? Oh, you're great job. Hey.
It's around 5 in the evening. And we're all sitting around. We grilled some hot dogs. Still got a bunch and there's a couple more rigs on the other side of that. And there's still 2 buses and a tent, a guy in a tent up there. I'm moving up there on Saturday when these guys leave. Because Hamlin is leaving, the green one right there. He's leaving Saturday, so when he leaves I'm gonna move up there to the other end. And yeah, this has been fun.
Safety on there. Here, push this down as you're pulling the trigger.
Oh, okay.
Like a drywall screw or something?
Look at there.
That one is nice.
Wait, no, that's the exhaust.
No, that's
No,
the
that's the
intake.
intake.
Yeah,
Okay. I just did that.
If you can fit that in there.
Like my hammer? I welded that myself.
Oh, I like that.
Oh yeah.
Go exactly first. If you got a 90 that we can drive those with, it's gonna need to be pretty deep.
Yeah, I'd rather not too if it's on
Kind of lay this thing out to make sure where all of our electrics are
Because
coming
even on
from.
this side of the battery, the fuse has to fit through.
Yeah.
So that's another.
Now
big-
where is her battery at?
That side.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah, I think so. Tip over it. So it's this.
Last time I saw it, it was right there in the box.
Oh, it's right here. With the one missing.
Okay,
Go.
let me-
Yeah. Ta-da!
We got power.
Shit.
And I don't think these are the screws. They stick out too far. Are there any flat ones?
What a cool place. Vinyls and movie posters everywhere. .45s. I don't know what they do up here, but this is pretty cool. And look at these lights. The guy that owns the building made these lights out of pipes that came out of this building. That's kind of cool, isn't it? This evening, we have more buses. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buses and 3 Sprinter top vans. Oh, 7 buses.